This is Greg Fanbrook, and this is Greg's Mind. As you can tell, I'm in a new location. Had to move out, and so I'm here now. This is actually gonna be a promotional video to update my old promotion video of the YouTube channel, and what exactly that I do and what I can provide through my YouTube channel, which is I provide basically a blueprint for how you can empower yourself and become the best you that you can be. And as well as that, I also have the blueprints for the foundation of what all should be, and that is in this playlist that I made. You can look through it, watch the videos, see. I mean, it tells you everything of how we should be living, not how we are living right now. And then, but that's basically the promotion. This YouTube channel is for people to empower themselves, for you to see like how much I have improved from when I first started this YouTube channel to now. I mean, I've changed so much in just a short amount of time, and these videos I've done are a record of that, and in which I'm also sharing it with you, with the people who are watching. So that is just a simple description of what my YouTube channel does. I might do a bit of big gaming, anime, tarot. I do everything. If I find it enjoyable, or if I find that I can talk about it, or there's something to talk about there, I will share it with you. I share a lot of my dreams already, so. But yeah, this is the new promotion video for Greg's Mind, and I will change the world with my mind. Simple as that. I will show the world what we can do, like what a single and probably insane person I am can do to show the world what we actually are, what humans can do, and just run for an insane ride if you follow me, and you'll see just what is out there and what someone who dreams can do, like what a person's dream can do to just change the world. So like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and enjoy the ride that I'll show, that I'll display, and that you can all be a part of, and you can all also empower yourself and go forward and just be the best you that you can be. So have a good day and goodbye.